Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Allie Palm, Allie Angel, Kate Angel. So, I keep getting their name wrong on my account because I have so many channels. Like, I has Cupcake, I has Cupcake, has Tiffany Quake, I has Cupcake channel. She has a bunch of channels. So does Stacy Plays. She has Stacy Vlogs, Stacy Plays, a few other ones I don't really know, but yeah, so does my friend. I have two so far. Look, I'm John Costas and AKA Alleyna King, Pumpkin Angel, and Maya Williams. Well, Maya Williams is my friend's name, so is Pumpkin Angel. So yeah, and right now just getting myself into me. Look at me in my underwears. I'm in my underwear. See my underwear. Just kidding. I was just in the pool and I didn't take the bottoms off. Actually, it was just somebody. It was bad as my friend Maya. She's not here. I just took her home. And that's why my hair pretty well. And then get a little bubble bath. What is... That is what I was looking for like ever now. This is how I want it to be parked. So that's how it's parked. Where is my lasagna?